Without this crucial step, running ads for Amazon KDP Books will only lose you money. In this video, I will show you what you need to do so that your Amazon KDP ads are successful and worthwhile. So keep watching. I've been running ads for my books for about a year, and I've managed to keep my ads costs low thanks to my book launch strategy, which you can download for free in the description of this video. And the crucial step you must never miss if you want your Amazon KDP ads to be successful and not burn money is to get book reviews. You need to have at least 10 book reviews before you ever run ads. Reviews give your book credibility so people feel confident to buy. But waiting for your book to get reviews organically can take months or even years, which is why I am going to show you step by step how to get reviews for your book fast. First, you sign up for Gemsy. You can try it free for 7 days. I placed the link in the description and a 30% lifetime discount for you if you want to check it out. I've been using Gemsy for about a year now to get reviews from my books. I am going to upload a composition notebook to Gemsy, which is a no-content book. Unlike other review platforms, Gemsy accepts no-content and low-content books, which means they have no text or very little text inside. These can be blank pages, line pages, etc. To upload it, press Add Book. It will ask you for the full title, the author, and the book's ASIN. Amazon provides you this ASIN after your book has been published. Next, you choose the type of readers you will be requesting. Since this is a no-content book, I am choosing Standard. In Standard, I will provide my PDF file to get reviews, but they won't be verified. However, it is a very fast way to get reviews. I am going to upload it now. You only upload the manuscript here, meaning the content of the book. Some of you have asked me if you can upload a Watermark book to protect it from getting stolen when someone downloads this PDF to review the book for a standard review. So I decided to put it to the test and see if Gemsy will accept it. I watermarked my no-content book online using the visual PDF website, which is free. It allows you to choose the watermark text, customize it completely, including the angle and coverage over the pages, and apply it to all pages in one click. I did not watermark the book cover though, just the interiors. It is important to note that Amazon only allows a certain amount of unverified standard reviews, so Gemsy limits the amount of these reviews that you can get per week to protect your KDP account and also to prevent Amazon from deleting the reviews, because Amazon lately has been deleting reviews that are not verified. That is another problem that other review platforms have. They do not offer verified reviews, and Gemsy does, which is why I am also selecting verified print copy reviews. Here you provide the link to your book on Amazon. This option means that people will actually purchase your book to review it. Amazon loves these kinds of reviews, and Gemsy is one of the only review platforms that gives you this option. Of course, if your book is expensive, you might wait a while before someone buys it to review it. I am surprised how many actually bought my books to review them. If you have an ebook that you published on Kindle, then you can choose Kindle Unlimited and also verified purchases for ebook. Those are usually high content books, meaning books that have a lot of text in them, like novels or self-help books. Low content and no content books are usually not offered on Kindle or as an ebook. They are mostly for print. Next, you will provide the front cover of your book. Only use the front, not the back, in these formats. What I did is take a screenshot of that part of my book. On the next step, you provide the link to your book, the language it is in, your marketplace, and the genre of your book. I am choosing other low content. Next, I placed 100 word count because it doesn't accept less. You provide a summary of your book so reviewers know what it is about, and the information about the author, or in this case, the publisher, since it is a no-content book. And now you can submit the book for approval. It takes a few hours to get a response from Gemsy, and in this bell you can see the status. You will also be notified by email My book was approved in about 6 hours, but it can take up to 24 hours. Once approved, you can start requesting reviews. You go to the My Books tab where you will find your book and view it. You can customize the message for your readers here. I like thanking them and establishing what I want from them. I tell them to not submit AI reviews because Amazon doesn't like that. Reviews should be genuine and in their own words. Save your message, then press the button Get Reviewed. Here you can choose your review options. You can select to get several kinds of reviews at the same time, but not in this same window. So first, I am going to ask for a standard non-verified review. Reviewers will get my Watermark PDF for free. This is a fast way to get reviews, but they're not verified. However, it is a great option to get things going, especially during a book launch. Remember that without reviews, your books will rarely sell. You can also add a Goodreads review, but this is a no-content book, so that won't apply. I have now submitted my request for a standard PDF review. Now I will add another request, this time for a different kind of review. I press the Get Reviewed button again, and I am selecting Verified Print Copy Reviews. You indicate the price of your book, and you can also ask for a photo in the review or a video. It's one or the other. To get verified print copy reviews, you need to have rubies, not gems. This review will cost me 14 rubies total. I don't have enough rubies for another verified print copy review after the one I requested already. So now I am requesting more standard reviews. I do have enough gems for that. In Gemsy, you earn gems and rubies by reviewing other people's books. I explain the process of reviewing books in this video here. The way most review platforms work is that you review other people's books to earn credits and then use those credits to get reviews for your own books. But those platforms are usually very saturated. You're assigned a random book to review, they have wait lists, and so many other hassles that make them clunky. Gemsy is different. It is fairly new, not saturated, and currently the best book review platform. I've been using it safely for about a year now. It complies with Amazon KDP's terms of service and is often updated to stay compliant. Unlike other review platforms, you can choose what books you want to review, and as you saw, they offer several types of reviews. So in total, I am looking for 3 reviews, which they call readers here. And in the notifications, you can see if your book has been picked up for review, when reviews are submitted, and more. You also get notified by email. Once you get at least 10 reviews, you are ready to run ads. Ads will only lose you money if you don't have any reviews. Never run ads on a book without reviews. And if you're interested in learning how to set up a super low cost ad campaign on Amazon KDP, check out the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more passive income ideas and self-publishing tips.